how to set quick share, who can share with you, to no one, contacts only, or everyone on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down and tap on connected devices. Next, we go down and then tap on quick share. In the quick share settings page, tap on who can share with you. Then from the pop-up settings, you can choose no one, so no one can share with you. You won't receive random files from strangers, or you can choose contacts only or everyone. And then tap on done. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.